What is happening, guys? Mike here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are continuing on with our look at the newly reformulated products from ByVilain. And a while back we started first with the Gold Digger wax and saw what had changed there with the new formula and branding. And today we're looking at its lineup brother, the Silver Fox. And ByVilain describes this product as having an extreme hold and moderate shine. They also say it adds fullness and texture, which is nothing new. This is actually the same description that the old formula had as well. And price-wise, we're looking at $22 for 2.2 ounces, but you can get a discount using my code on this as well, in case you didn't know already. Looking inside the jar here, we have something that looks pretty much the exact same as the prior formula. It's silver, of course, and unlike the Gold Digger, this one has always had a kind of slickness to it. Not a lot of it, to be honest, but some, and I think this is the same. I think we have, a soft consistency, not quite what I would call creamy, but not a thick scoop either. In the hand, too, it breaks down pretty much without much effort. It goes down pretty easily, no choppiness or anything like that. Once again, it does look pretty close to the old version to me, although there are a few slight changes in the ingredient list between the old and new formulas. Now though, let's see how it works in my hair. Of course, my hair right now is in an awkward stage of growth, and of course I'm having some breakout issues right now, so pardon my ridiculousness, but this is freshly washed and blow-dried hair, no extras added, so we can see only the Silver Fox at work, and this is where I think it actually does differ a tiny bit from the old version, and that's in the actual feeling of the product as it hits my hair. I mean, it's not impossible to apply, obviously. I'm doing it here right in front of you, but it is a lot drier than I think Silver Fox has ever been, so that's pretty new for me. I also am a little surprised to see this after reviewing the Gold Digger, as I really would have expected this from that product and not this one, really. But beyond that, the hold is obviously pretty high. That's evident just by looking at it here, but oddly enough, what's not evident is that shine level. The jar says medium. They describe it as moderate shine on the site, but I'm not seeing that at all here. In fact, I'm seeing no shine at all. I'm seeing pretty much a matte finish here, actually. But beyond that, I am seeing a pretty easy style coming into play here. It's controlling my hair really easily, and in the end, this is the style that I was able to achieve. Now let's check out that same style 4 hours later. I think it pretty much looks the same. Not much movement to report. That shine level still has me perplexed a little, as it still really looks matte to me here. But let's see it at 8 hours now. And here, I think, again, it looks pretty much the same. I mean, amazingly, I spent the day doing some home projects, and I did expect it to deflate or go down a little more than what I'm seeing here. I mean, the hold is still really strong. You can feel the waxiness and move it around, so it's just crazy how much hold is still there. I also think it's safe to finally say that that shine is just not coming out to play. I mean, I didn't think it was just gonna pop up here 8 hours in, but you never know. We could have been surprised. It could have been a late bloomer. I mean, stuff like that is not something that you just want to give up on right away, right? You want to hold out for the shine. You want to hold out and think in case it's going to come out and play later, but it didn't. It didn't. We can, however, talk about the scent. That one was super easy to pick out. It's the same scent as the last formula, and it's the same scent as the Gold Digger too, so no changes there. It's present, but it's not offensive to the nose, so it's not too intense, and really, you can't smell it once you style with it, and once it's been in your hair for a little bit, you just can't even smell it anyway, so that's super easy. The washout now, too, this was also extremely easy for me. Straight up water rinse. I mean, no issues, no messing around. This one was just a straight up water rinse, and this is obviously one of the improvements that they made with this new formula, which I think was really good to see. Now, though, for my final verdict, bringing it all together here on the Silver Fox. I do think that with this one, they made some surprisingly small but impactful changes to this product. I have to admit, I did not see it coming, that the Gold Digger would decrease its intensity a bit, and then the Silver Fox would increase it. I definitely didn't see that coming. I mean, it used to be that the Silver Fox was kind of like a tamer, slicker version of the Gold Digger with a bit more shine in there, and that's what I was kind of expecting. But in my honest opinion here, what I'm seeing with this one, and as crazy as it sounds, is, to me, the Silver Fox looks kind of like what the Gold Digger used to be. And I know it's weird, but just, follow me down this road a little bit here. What I see with this one is it's dry, it's tacky, it's a little thick, but somewhat slick. It's got a great amount of hold, lots of hold actually. And as far as that shine goes, I mean, I don't know about you guys, but I saw a matte finish the entire time that I tested this, throughout the demo that I just showed you guys. I saw a matte finish. I mean, I didn't see one bit of shine at all. I mean, I don't know. This is a bit hard, I have to go off of what I see here, and I don't mean any of this as negative, by the way. I'm not criticizing the product. I mean, I actually really enjoyed how it worked. I think it worked incredible for my hair, actually, especially in this awkward grow out stage that I'm in. The hold is fantastic. The tackiness honestly was a bit high. I think some of you might struggle with that a little bit, some of that tug and pull when you're running it through your hair, but the styling for me was on point, and as you saw, that endurance was just flat out great. I mean, I have no complaints about that part. I spent a good while, though, just sitting here pondering this. It's funny to me because the Silver Fox always worked well for me in the past, but this one, it worked even better for me, which is new, but it's old to me as well because it worked just as good as Gold Digger used to work for me. So that's why I said they made some small but impactful changes, because to me, it kind of feels like they just made a small shift, and then it really impacted the product by kind of becoming the other one. I mean, does that make any type of sense? I hope so. I'm starting to confuse myself, so hopefully I'm not confusing you guys too bad. But if you'd like to check out the Silver Fox from ByVilain, I will leave a link and my coupon code. Can't forget that. Save yourself a little money. Check out my coupon code. It'll be in the description there. So make sure you are using that code there. Save yourself some money on your next order if you're interested on picking something up from the Slick Hair shop. Let me know, too, what your thoughts are about this product. This is a very interesting one. I think this was a very fun review to do. So let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. And if you haven't already, do me a favor, subscribe to the channel. Hit the subscribe button for me. It takes like 3 seconds. The button is like, which way is it? Right down there? I don't know which way it is, but take a quick second and just hit the button for me. Thank you in advance for doing that. It's much appreciated. It really helps the channel keep going, so thank you very much for doing that. Take it easy. I'll see you next time.